Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this Volkswagen Golf 2 litre GTD, high specification one, full service history, has had the cam belt changed as well, priced really well. It's got front park distance control, diamond cut alloy wheels, paintwork is absolutely lovely, rear park distance control, twin exhausts, absolutely gleaming paintwork. Boots in lovely condition, parcel shelf, electric windows, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, no rips or tears on the upholstery, auto headlights, some 78,340 miles, if you can see that. Push start, start it up. Got active cruise control, 3-stage heated seats, satellite navigation, park distance control, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, car information, different driving styles, eco, normal, sport, individual, 6-speed gearbox, nice centre armrest there, flat bottom steering wheel in leather, auto headlights. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.